Hello guys, on today's vlog, we're gonna quick balance the DJI RS4 Pro with the Blackmagic 6K Pro camera, guys. And not only just balance, guys, it's vertical mode. We will try to balance in vertical. The DJI, again, the DJI RS4 Pro and the Blackmagic 6K Pro. So without further ado, guys, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now, guys. First, you need to make sure that you are in the balance position. Okay, lock. I'm already in the vertical mode position. Put the camera, then lock. First thing we need to balance is this part. Okay, unlock. Remove the camera. And again, guys, the Blackmagic, we put already the lens, which is 24-105, so standard size. And if you have 24-70, it's fine. It's almost same size. Okay. Okay. Let's balance this area. Okay, smooth. Now it's okay. Now second part is to balance this motor. I'm not 100% known about the XY motor or something. Okay, it's already balanced. Then the last part, this part, but it's totally cannot because it's already the end. But let's try again. It's already balanced. I tried already the balance. Let's open the stabilizer. If turns green, meaning it's balanced. So, and guys, it turned green. I'm gonna show you. This is green. Okay, it's showing green, and we'll try to calibrate. So let's calibrate. Start calibrating, and 100 percent calibrated. So it's calibrated and green. So, and guys, we have a perfect balance for the DJI RS4 with the Blackmagic 6K Pro and with the 24-105 in vertical mode. So, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. It's a quick vlog regarding balancing DJI RS4 Pro and Blackmagic 6K Pro in vertical mode. So, and guys, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, the DJI product and the Blackmagic product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.